Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert Spaylater to Gcash. Let's begin. So if you go to the Spaylater section of shopee.ph, you're going to be greeted by this page here, and you're going to have a few steps that you need to follow. So number one, it says, why shop with Spaylater? It says here you can shop, receive, and then pay later. So then you're going to move on to number two, how to activate. On the Me tab, select Spaylater. Step 2, click Activate Now. And then step 3, enter the one-time password sent to your mobile phone. Then step 4, upload your government ID and the additional information needed. Then step 5, undergo the facial verification process. Then step 6, find out whether you were approved within 24 hours. Then number 3, how to order. On the Me tab, select Spaylater. Then step 2, click to activate now. Then step 3, enter the one-time password sent to your mobile phone. Step 4, upload your government ID and additional information needed. Then step 5, undergo the facial verification process. Then step 6, find out whether you were approved within 24 hours. And then number 4 there, you can even calculate how much interest you're going to pay. So it says here how to calculate interest rate. So number 1, processing fee. Then number 2, interest rate, and so on. And then processing fee, interest rate, and then late payments fee. Then number 5, when to pay your bill. Starting July 14, 2022, new users approved for Spaylater will be able to choose between 2 billing cycle due dates, the 5th of the month or the 15th of the month. Then number 6, how to pay your bill. So step 1, visit your Spaylater wallet. Then step 2, on the Spaylater homepage, click Pay Now. Then step 3, view your current bill and select your payment method. Then step 4, click Pay Now to confirm your repayment. New features on Spaylater. Pay with Spaylater upon delivery. You can now use Spaylater on your COD orders. Now, if you go back to the top here, it's going to show you a list of ways in which you can pay. So it says there that you can use SPay or 7-Eleven and more. And then the one that we're looking for is Gcash. So Gcash is supported. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.